In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a subscription plan in Squarespace. We'll be setting this up directly from your Squarespace store dashboard, and the process is pretty straightforward once you know where each option lives. If you're offering recurring services, memberships, or ongoing consulting, this is a great way to turn that into a subscription-based product. To begin, open your Squarespace site and go to Products and Services. From there, click on Products. This will take you to the area where you manage everything you sell on your site. Next, click Add Product. Squarespace will show you different product types you can create. For this setup, choose Consulting Package. This option works well when you want to offer a service that customers can subscribe to on a recurring basis. Once the product editor opens, enter your product name. Make the title clear and specific so customers immediately understand what they're signing up for. After that, type in the description. This is where you can explain what's included, how often the service is delivered, and any important details your customers should know before purchasing. Now, move down to the payment options section and click on Subscription Options. Here, select Subscription Only. This tells Squarespace that the product will be sold as a recurring plan rather than a one-time purchase. After that, edit the repeat frequency and choose whether the subscription renews every week or every month. Pick the schedule that best matches the service you're offering. It's a good idea to make sure this billing interval matches what you described earlier in the product description so everything stays consistent for your customers. Once the frequency looks right, click Add and then click Apply. This confirms your subscription setup and attaches those recurring payment rules to the product. Next, enter the price for the subscription. Be sure the amount makes sense for the billing cycle you selected. For example, if it renews monthly, the price should reflect the monthly value of the service. When everything is filled out, move your cursor to save and save your changes. This is an important step so you don't lose any of the information you just entered. Finally, click Publish to make the subscription plan live on your Squarespace site. Once published, customers will be able to view and purchase the subscription based on the settings you configured. And that's it. You've successfully created a subscription plan in Squarespace. If you're setting up multiple plans, just repeat the same process for each one and make sure the names, descriptions, billing frequency, and pricing are all clearly defined.